Is a Course Hero Tutor job really one of the best online tutoring jobs? And can you really earn more than $1,500 per month from home by doing this? This is what you will find out in this video. My name is Michael, and many viewers have asked me about this platform because I have tested hundreds of different free ways to make money online. And in this Course Hero review, I will go over both the pros and the cons of it so you can find out if this is the right opportunity for you or not. So let's start by going over the basics of who can join, because Course Hero is a platform where you can find, as a student, all kind of resources to get help. And that means that you also need tutors, and that's where you come in, because you can earn by becoming a tutor and you can join from around the world. Of course, there are certain requirements. So let's start by going over how to sign up, how to apply, what kind of tutoring jobs you can find there, and then of course how much you can earn. So if you decide this is for you, you would just need to go to the website and click to apply now. And then you can see you just need to fill everything out. And what you need to be aware of is that it can take you around 40 minutes to fill out this application form. So it's not something you can just do like in a couple of minutes. You need to take the time to do this properly, because you need to provide some basic information about who you are, what you can help with, and then you also need to upload your ID and academic credentials, because they want to make sure that you actually know something about the topic that you want to tutor in and to get paid to tutor in. So later I will also go over what kind of topics you can become a tutor in, but this is just something you need to be aware of. This is something you need to take the time to do, and then you will get approved within 7 days, and then you can start making money by tutoring. Of course, there is no guarantee you will get approved. That depends on everything and your credentials and how you fill it out. So take the time to do this properly. But let's then go over what kind of topics can you get paid to tutor in. One thing that is really good to know also is that you can find tutoring jobs in basically more or less any academic topic. You can see everything from writing, journalism, and artificial intelligence, marketing, algebra, law, psychology, nursing, health science, like a lot of different topics. And what you also need to be aware of, as you can see in the FAQ section, that you do not necessarily need to be a certified tutor or professor, but you do need to have some kind of credentials to prove that you have expertise in the categories. So that's important to just keep in mind, but you do not need to be a professor or certified tutor. So do not worry about that, as long as you have credentials that prove that you do have knowledge about one of these topics. And what kind of questions do you then might get? Let's just look at that. So you can see on the website also, I really actually like this because they show some examples of what kind of questions you would have to answer. So then you can get a sense of whether this is something you feel comfortable with or not. Because you see an example of a question, you can see the question there, and then you can see the tutor's answer. You can read more, and then you can read the whole thing. So you see, it's not super long answers, but you do need to have sufficient knowledge to be able to write this fairly easily, because if not, it just becomes ineffective. But you see they have a lot of different ones. They are also examples. So I would suggest that you go here, find some examples of the category that you want to tutor in, see what kind of questions it is, and then just see if you think that, okay, this is something that I can do. And you need to do this before applying, because you do need to spend quite some time applying. So then this is really great that they give us the chance to see this before applying. So definitely make sure to check that out so you can see if you have the skills to do this job. And then of course we do need to talk about how much can you earn and how can you get paid. So on the website it very clearly says that you can make more than or up to $1,500 plus per month. And what is important to notice here is that it says make up to. It does not mean that you are guaranteed to earn $1,500 per month just for signing up, because this is for the monthly top tier tutors. So these are the tutors. These are actually people that are earning this much. So it is possible, but these are for the top tutors. So you need to put in quite some time. You can control yourself when you want to work, and that's of course great, but to earn this much, of course, you do need to put in quite a bit of effort. And of course, as they also say, actual earnings may vary depending on the number of questions answered, of course, right? And the category, so there can also be some different categories that is possible to make more in if you can reply to questions there, and also the difficulty of the questions and the quality of answers and other factors. So there is no exact formula that can tell you how much can you earn. Of course, in general, the more effort you put in, the more you can earn, but $1,500, you should expect to put quite a lot of effort into this. But it is possible if you have the knowledge to quickly reply to questions and give quality answers and have quite a bit of time to put into this. But in some cases, you might not earn a lot. It might be difficult to reach $100, $200. That all depends on how you actually use the platform. I just want to make that clear so you know that this is a potential. You can reach that, so you can earn quite good money, but it's not something you should expect to do right after you join, because that is only the top earners that earn this much. As for how you can get paid, you will get paid out via PayPal, so you do need a PayPal account to be able to get paid, but then it's also a really nice way to get paid because it's an easy way to get your earnings out in cash. So to sum it all up, Course Hero is definitely a legit tutor job you can do from home, and it is flexible because you can decide when and how you want to work. But of course you do need certain skills, you need a background, you need to be willing to put in a bit of effort to apply, and then also you need to be aware that how much you will earn will vary from person to person. There are some people that earn more than $1,500 per month, but it's not something you should expect right after joining. It will take time to reach that level, but if you are an expert in any of these areas that they're looking for tutors in, then it can be a way to earn some extra money in a very flexible way. But if you are looking for other ways to also earn, where it does not require you to have specific skills or to go through a long application process, then I will also leave links below to more information about options I have for that. But no matter what, I hope this video helped you, and if it did, then make sure to hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time there's a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make some extra money on the side online.